Hi. What's up, guys? Good morning. I got my big lens today. What's up, Jordy? Did you brought the gear? Yeah. You did? Hey, good morning. Good morning again, dude. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What'd you guys drive?
I drove the TCS.
Okay. The 2 parking spot guy? Yeah. Yeah. Sick. Who's here? You guys want a NOS? Come on, let's grab one. I need one too. Come in, come in. Good morning, guys. Stick ride here. You guys want to grab a NOS? Grab a NOS. Dang, you got the fresh zebra sign? Bruh, you got the fresh? I should have worn mine. Good morning. We're just checking out some cars first. What? Don't get the stars. I got it. What's up, dude? Damn, got some red wheels on them. Look at this. Woo. Gotta get the famous signature right here. This. Ooh, look at the doctor's signature. Chill. There we go. Good morning, guys. We're having a warehouse sale today, so we've got a few people here. We're gonna show them around for a little bit. Yeah, B18B. Woo! Damn. If you want to face us, we can just grab them on the table. Oh snap! Oh snap! Did you find something? Dude, I haven't sold those in 4 or 5 years. Really? Yeah. Because I've had them. Yeah, because we had them in stock, covered up. Yeah, we take cars. Yeah, old here. You got some Super Street stuff that Super Street doesn't even sell. So if you guys are Super Street people, hats, a bunch of hats, a lot of stickers. This is the coffin, huh? Is it called the coffin?
The coffin he broke. So it's supposed to have a laptop stand right here. That slides in and out.
Yeah. Do you want to throw stuff in?
Oh,
yeah.
2 for $1.
Yeah, 2 for $1. So your own tuner crate, huh? Yep. That's essentially, yeah. A couple more items, yeah. Oh shit! On the turntable.
Actual turntable.
Damn. Oh shit! Huh? Fine, what'd you find?
I'm finding a whole new closet, Mike.
A whole new closet. Damn, you got a couple things. You need another tuner crate box?
I might need another one.
Shit, want me to get you one right now? Damn.
Bags or anything?
First customer of the day. No, they can just get another box. Yeah, you want to load up in the box.
I have this sticker on my car, and the dude...
He ripped it off. What's going on over here? What's going on?
He's changing it up so that way he can get some free shirts.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, you got a box? You got a skateboard?
Got the skateboard.
Sick. Damn, came up on 2 boxes. How many free shirts?
1 free shirt.
Okay. Dude, 2 boxes, bruh. 2 boxes. See, guys? Look at all this carbon fiber right here. Look at this. Carbon.
Go big or go home, bro.
Go big, go home. Look at this.
Oh, ballin'.
Ballin'. Georgie, 5 shirts, dude?
I think I got all of them, though.
Oh shit.
Double up on them.
Oh shit. Okay. All cash, huh?
Yes, sir.
Damn, I'm not gonna ask how you make it, but damn. Easy. Hey, Jay, it's like Rob. It's like Rob, just flexing cash. Dude, you live far.
An hour and 14 minutes.
Hour and 14 minutes. Here, follow his IG, dude. Right here. You having a super OG picture of me too back in, I was really skinny. I was a little boy back then.
Yeah, you were small.
Dude. Damn. Yeah. Damn, look, this is an old picture of me. Oh my gosh. So much shit. He's still over here folding for you. Damn.
I told him I'm on a seafood diet.
Damn, bro. 3 boxes. Easy. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hey, bro, I need a fucking table, bro.
Put on your hood. Put on your hood.
Damn, there's like a VIP up in here. What?
Oh shit! Oh, the chucks, the agenda, the chucks.
Oh my god! All right, I get up just.
Check it out.
Right, that tattoo looks fresh.
I look fresh.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
First one too.
Oh shit! You guys in your 3 boxes, dude. Someone come with the 4 box. Watch. Morning, people. So, dude, how's it going, man? I want to see. You know what? Hi. Is this the? Wait, how old? 4 months. All right, I'm gonna challenge somebody real quick. I'm gonna take you first. You become a vlogger for 30 seconons.
Wait, you're a vlogger?
Yes, recording.
You gotta hold it out.
I was like, fuck.
Alright, bro.
You're a vlogger.
Hi, guys. You know what I mean? Like, this warehouse, you know? Like, I built it from the ground up. And just so happy to see, my subscribers, shopping away. Primal Swap Meet, you know what I mean? Best employee right here. Yeah. Yeah.
Shit, you got a DJ right there. We're businessmen.
Alright, introduce yourself, IG and stuff, go.
My name's Kevin. What's my IG or?
Whatever you want, dude.
My car IG is OC_Lexus. Yeah, don't laugh at me, gosh.
All right, so people ask about vlogging and see if it's easier or not. So I'm gonna challenge. Who wants to do another? No, you're too good. You know already. You can't do it.
Oh, that's not fair.
You do it the furthest. All right, 30 seconds. Ready? Just hold it like that.
Like this?
However you want.
That's good?
Yeah, just don't drop it. 30 seconds.
What's up, guys? It's ORCE123 on Instagram. You know, we're at the swap meet right now. We got shirts, we got sweaters, we got accessories, we got hats. We got that guy that just walks around and never works, you know? You know, come on down. We got all. I just looked at you as a commercial.
Penis. All right, here. All right, here, 30 seconds. It's on, recording. Go ahead. Hold it. You gotta talk something else besides the swap meet.
Shit.
Go.
I can't.
You're a vlogger. You're a vlogger right now, so like you just started your day.
All right, guys. I don't think.
You got that spotlight strap.
I can't, bro. I can't, bro. My name's Brandon, guys. At the Primal headquarters. For the man. But the fucking. I can't. I can't. It's hard, dude.
Yeah, it's hard.
The whole day.
So the hard part is you don't know what to talk about to make it interesting, right? Yeah. So okay, you're next.
All right.
Oh, here you go. Hold it. Introduce yourself and then pretend you're a vlogger.
All right.
Go ahead.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Andy. We're out here, Primal headquarters. We're checking out the Primal swap meet right here. We got everybody shopping right here. We got the boy Sharkboy right here. We got some fellow Primal drivens right here.
Asian.
We got the man himself, Mike, with his cars. I'm just kidding, they're my cars. Just don't tell him I said that. I'm gonna keep them. Probably take out the GTR right now. Which one?
Farther out.
Oh, yeah, all these are my cars, okay? Even the little ones that he's holding right there, those are all my cars.
All right, 30 seconds. Okay. All right, there you go. So he's the best one out of all the vloggers, but you're down here. So for a viewer, when they watch, they get sick. Because first off, they see the beautiful double chin. And then with a lot of hand movement. So when you're vlogging, you're like, just hand us a fucking brick. Yeah, so that way it's smooth as much as you can. If you don't have a gimbal. You gotta do this again.
That's like catching lightning in the
Go, go. No, this is a part of vlog life. Sometimes you don't press the record button and then you have to do it again. Go. Boom, take two.
Where's the record button? So hit it right there. Okay.
What up, DJ Georgie Boy here. I got my turntables out here at the Primal swap meet with my beautiful GTR, my Camarón, and my fans. Say what's up, guys, in the vlog. Say what's up again, because I hit the wrong button. It was better the first time.
Oh, God.
I hit the record button on accident.
I just saw these. Damn. Whoa. What's up? What's up, guys? What's up? Dang, 5 boxes? No, they're heavy, yeah. No, they're solid. It's probably a 6 box. Yeah, if you didn't pack them so hard. Yeah.
We got Mike signing merch.
Mama, I made it.
Damn, that adds value.
3 boxer. 4 boxers. Damn. Now look at this little homie. Whoa, look.
The backpack for the camera gear.
Wait, that means they get more shirts.
10
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at this. So this is how packed one box gets.
Oh my, dude, that's
He pushed it
crazy.
in there. He made sure he pushed it in. No, he just did a
One
bathroom.
hoodie.
That's what it is.
Damn. Damn. Can you imagine Tuna Crate came with 2 hoodies? Damn, Edgar. That's crazy. Man, look at the wheels. Stitching. I know, right? What the heck?
Put the tire stickers on too.
Ooh, I gotta finger you right here.
Oh, yeah.
Man, 1 hour drive. See ya. Thanks for coming. What's up, man? How's it going? You guys got a box? Oh shit, oh shit.
Thanks.
Nice, thanks for coming. What'd you drive?
All the way from Marietta.
Not too far.
Right.
Oh, okay. Oh man, it's gonna rain soon. So, one of the guys that came over, Kevin, he's learning how to drive. He's learning to drive stick right now. It's starting to rain. I'm gonna show you guys real quick before I have to head home. Oh shit.
So then when you go, just focus on
All right, here you go. He's gonna learn how to drive stick today. Oh! Yay! Yay! Oh man, that was jerk. That was funny. That's good.